Welcome to my page, tribology.blogspot. I know you have a problem about lubrication. Now, I will explain to you the simple explanation about lubrication. Lubricants is a substance introduced to reduce friction between moving surfaces. One of the single largest applications for lubricants in the form of motor oil is protecting the internal combustion engine in motor vehicles and powered equipment. Figure shows that Strybeck curve showing on friction plotted against the product of the absolute viscosity and the rotational speed in revolutions per second N divided by projected load P. Now, we go to friction. Friction is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces, fluid layers, and material elements sliding against each other. When surfaces in contact move relative to each other, the friction between the two surfaces converts kinetic energy into heat. Figures show that four forces acting on their own direction. One is the normal force. Next is the applied force, force gravity, and force of friction, where is related to interaction between surfaces and more specifically the removal and deformation of material on a surface as a result of mechanical action of the opposite surface. The need for relative motion between two surfaces and initial mechanical contacts between asperities is an important distinction between mechanical wear compared to other processes with similar outcomes.
Wait. Don't close this page yet. Since you have been chosen Piston as your assignment, I will explain more detail about it. Okay, let me start with what is piston. Piston is basically a short cylinder that was fitted with a small cylinder like a tube size where the mechanism of piston is moved up and down against a liquid or gas used as the internal combustion. Piston is used in many engines and also compressor. Piston can be seen as sliding cylinder with a closed head that is reciprocally in a slightly larger cylindrical chamber. The basic function of a piston is an engine is to transfer force from expanding gas in the cylinder to crankshaft via connecting rod. Now, we will explain to you about constant in piston. The wear in piston might be existing in the piston ring part where it's positioned in the groove side face. Scuffing where the symptoms like oil consumption, oil smoke on the exhaust, and scuffing mark on like linear surface mark occur. Now, for further explanation about a piston, we will show you the drawing of the piston.
This drawing we had done by using a CATIA V8. They have three parts in piston. One is a piston rings. Two is a gudgeon pin, and three is a connecting rod. We also provide the real piston that we have taken from BMW car.
For the last part of our presentation, we will show you the several type of journal related to our presentation that we referred for this assignment.
Thank you and have a safe day. We, from Tribology.sport team, we wish you a good luck and see you soon for the next assignment. Bye.